How can I anchor my air dome to the ground? Today we're gonna see the main types of anchorages and some useful tips. If I need to anchor my air dome to the ground, I can use this anchor, which can be pushed into the ground using a beater in vertical position. Then when we reach the desired depth, using this chain we can pull the anchor and reach the horizontal position where the anchor has the needed strength. When I have a concrete structure where I can anchor the air dome, I can use a hole and this treated rod attached using a chemical glue like this one. At the end of the rod I attach an eye bolt like this one and then a connector. Now let's see some useful tips. If I need to anchor to a concrete structure, I need to verify first that the structure has the needed strength. In any case, it's a good idea to sample check the anchor's strength using this dynamometer, which measures the force applied. Using a crane, I can check the strength of the anchors, reaching the desired strength, which is coming from a design, but it's often between 500 and 1500 kilograms. And using this dynamometer I can check at the desired force that the anchor is still in place. And please remember to attach the check report to the design documents. This is all for today. These are our tips for the anchorages. If you have doubts or questions, down in the comment or on our website. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.